the first uh, the director of the TIPA, please come forward. The director of TIPA, Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts. This, the teacher of the Suja school in Dharamsala. This is a school for Tibetans who have arrived more recently as refugees from Tibet. And the Rumtek Monastery's opera center, the teacher. Today, the special place, Bodh Gaya, the special time, the Chotul Dawa, the first month of Tibetan calendar, the month of miracles, and where the Gaju Malam Chemo is started. And as according to the tradition that was before, so we are following that, try to present the life of Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, and those who I must express my heartfelt thanks to all the performers here. Actually, the 7th Kamapas time, in the morning, they do the practice of 20 branch prayers, and in the evenings or afternoons, then they make the performances. But here we can't have that kind of facilities here. But in future, I hope this kind of system can be continued, because when Buddhas and Bodhisattvas give teachings, it's not just kind of talks or teachings, but it is in many different ways, like the minds, how the aspirations and way, and in many different ways it helps countless beings. So by seeing the life of Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, it can leave very strong impressions on our mind also. So therefore I feel that the presentation of the life stories of Buddhas and Bodhisattvas is a very useful and purposeful thing. And so therefore this is something like a seed of the life of during this preparation of this performance, many people have helped a great deal. These 4 pillars, there many people have helped. Day and night they worked. So especially the TIPA, the Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts, they have very sincerely worked on it and performed very well. They did the same way last time when we did the Milarepa's performance. So I would like to really thank them all. And also the Sucha Tibetan Homes students. For a long time we have great relationship, and they also according there's something that's related with the tradition of Tibet, long-term culture, and their performance made me kind of come the view of my own birthplace, countryside. And especially I would like to thank them. And also the Dixi Aji Sopa of Rumtek Monastery. This was started by the 16th Karmapa. He was very interested in this kind of operas, and we need to continue that, preserve and also develop this this form of art. So I have especially asked them to come here and make a presentation. But they have taken great interest, and they've kind of performed it with great devotion and sincerity, and I hope that they will develop and continue to develop more and more. So I would like to give them my thanks in gratitude. In short, this performance is something related with Dharma, not much related to the worldly things. So these kind of Dharma related performances, I would like to dedicate whatever merit is accumulated from there towards making towards sowing a seed of positive something positive karma in all of us. And I feel that all the obstacles that's to the life of His Holiness Dalai Lama and all the great beings be evaded, and may there be great love and kindness and compassion and peace throughout the world.